I would like to welcome Srimati Sujata Rao to the Biju Janata Dal. She will be joining as a simple member of the party. You know that she has been an IAS officer and has held several important positions in that office, including her last position, which was to look after many women in our state. I'm sure that as time passes and she gets used to her new position, she will learn to help people, particularly women. I would like to repeat again for the information of the media and all other people that of course I will be leading the Biju Janata Dal in the next elections. I want to make that very clear.